Are you looking for a coping solution for your project? Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Skylar Santana, New York representative for hardscape.com, outdoor porcelain pavers. We know how important it is to have matching coping to go along with the rest of your pavers. And we understand that nobody wants to pair natural stone with their porcelain pavers when you have porcelain pavers that are long lasting and maintenance free. And we also understand how matching colors can be difficult to achieve. Well, great news. We solved this problem. Introducing our new custom fabricated coping, carefully crafted and only achievable with a fully cooked high quality porcelain. These new mitered edges are almost indistinguishable from true natural stone coping. But first, let me show you a piece of our porcelain cut with our old fabrication process. As you can see, this piece is chipped on the edge and it has to be filled in with epoxy solution to try and seam these poor quality cuts together. Now, for transparency, this is our porcelain just cut improperly, but this is the exact result that you're going to get when you're cutting a poor quality porcelain, even with our new method. Now let's take a look at our new method, and as you can see, the pieces are almost perfect up close, and it's so hard to tell that these are two separate pieces glued together with a super strong epoxy solution. It's colored to the seam to match the paver almost exactly. Now, using this new method of fabrication, we're able to achieve something that no other brand has and no other brand would be able to achieve, because our porcelain is cooked longer, allowing us to make clean cuts without worrying about chipping at the edges. How could you tell? Well, a white line at the edge of the porcelain is a sure indicator that the tile is undercooked, which is not only compromising to the strength, but also the glaze, which will cause you to get the following results: shattering or chipping when making cuts, overheating in high temperatures, high slip feeling on the surface of the paver, a high absorption rate of liquid resulting in deep unremovable stains. So to sum things up, we are now able to achieve finished edges on 1, 2, or 3 sides, making it the absolute perfect solution for your stairs and coping. So give us a call at 917-227-7765 so you can see these samples in person. Thank you.